Do you want to know how you can log into your Nea Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Nea account or your Nea Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar to search for Nea Payroll login. Scroll a bit down and click on this link over here. It will take you to this page where you can see that there is no login portal over here. Go ahead and hover around online application and then click on open. After you click on open, this page will load up. Now if you want to translate it, go ahead and translate, and you can see that you can log into your account using your email account. So go ahead and write down your email account on here and then go to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it by clicking on this icon. After check your password, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Nea Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can see that you can reset your link via email or OTP. So go ahead and choose these, click submit and follow the process, and you can log into your account after you reset it. So guys, this is how you log into your Nea Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.